So okay, I have problem with my USB. Ito yung lumalabas sa kanya. Okay, check natin ngayon sa this PC. We go to this PC. Okay, cancel muna natin. I'm using Windows 10, so sa this PC ako pupunta. If you are using Windows 7, so click nyo yung My Computer and look for Manage. Okay, and then look for this Management. Antayin nyo lang siya mag-load. So here, as you can see sa disk 1, yung removable USB ko, which is F, is unallocated. So ngayon, lalagyan natin siya ng partition, pero ipo-format din natin siya. So punta tayo sa CMD. CMD. And then enter. Type nyo disk space quart. Okay, sorry. No space. Disk quart without space. So, select yes. And then, antayin nyo lang yung this part lumabas. So, okay, yan na. Lumabas na. So, type natin is list space disk. Enter. So, okay. Yung this euro ko is my SSD. This one is my USB. So, select disk 1. And then, create partition primary. Hit enter. Okay, succeeded. Okay, we'll see. Check natin yung ating asa na yun. Okay, here it's now working. So, X na natin yung ating CMD. It's now working, okay? So, ang gagawin nyo lang is close nyo lahat ng window and then restart nyo yung laptop nyo and then tanggalin yung USB and then saka nyo i-open and then it's working again, back to normal. So, okay. After natin i-restart yung laptop, so ito na yung lalabas sa ating USB. You need to format the disk and drive F before you can use it. So, click format disk. So, click nyo yung capacity nya, which is 8 gig. So, ito na yun. And then, default. And then, start. Warning, formatting will erase all data on this disk. To format the disk, click OK. To quit, click cancel. Okay, press OK. Format complete. So, okay. It's now working. Close. As you can see, eto na, binabasa na siya. Ganun lang siya kasimple. Kung unallocated, lalagyan nyo lang siya ng partition using the command prompt. And then, after that, you will have to format it. And then, yun lang yung ginawa natin. Pinakita ko sa inyo. So, that's it. Thanks for watching and I hope meron kayo natutunan. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell para ma-inform kayo ng aking mga future videos. Okay?